Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and it is time to make crafting fun. Here you can see a little bit of what I do on my channel. Now let's jump into today's projects. First we're gonna make a ladder, and I know you only can see one piece of wood but it was so big I couldn't just place it here. But we're gonna use 1x2 and 1x3, and I use 3 1x3 and 2 1x2s. Those are the sides, and the other ones are the ladder pieces. Now I'm gonna use some wood glue, and if you want you can add some nails to it, but I didn't add them because it was strong and sturdy with the wood glue. Now we're gonna take that 1x3 and we're gonna add a little bit of glue in the corner so you can glue those to the 1x2s. And we're gonna use that much glue to glue them, the 1x3s, to the 1x2s, and just use as many as you want. You can use 4 or you can use 3 like I did. Now I'm gonna take some antique wax and I'm gonna paint my ladder completely. And let me show you. Here it is, and it is looking beautiful. I wanted a big one for this corner of my sofa, so it looks pretty with everything that we're gonna add. Now for this Sticky Tuesday. It's Sticky Tuesday again, and this is a challenge I'm co-hosting with my beautiful friends Jenny and Diane from Deco Easy. And in the description box down below, you're gonna find a link to their channel and also the link for this awesome playlist so you can go and check out what everyone else created for it. And now for our second project, we're gonna use this beautiful milk can that I found at Walmart. And I got it for Mother's Day. Yay! And we're gonna use this beautiful olive branches also from Walmart. I'm gonna use 8 of those. And we're gonna add them to our milk can. And I'm gonna use some of this foam. First, we're gonna cut our foam so we can fit it in the bottom of our milk can. And I'm gonna cut a piece of that. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of hot glue. Well, after I remove that plastic, I'm gonna add a little bit of hot glue over here, and I'm gonna stick that to the bottom so we can add our olive branches. And I cut at the bottom of them so I can fit them on my milk can, but this will depend on the vase that you're using. This is the easiest way to make a beautiful high-end floral arrangement, and I just love how this one turned out. As you can see, I'm just sticking my branches on the milk can so I get a beautiful arrangement. And when you see this one, you will be thrilled because it's super easy, super inexpensive, and look at this. It turned out so beautiful. I'm in love with it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this one because you know me, I love it. Now we're gonna make a wreath for our ladder, and I'm using this wreath form from Walmart. Some of this lamb's ear, eucalyptus also from Walmart, and we are gonna add something beautiful, and those are this magnolia flowers from Walmart. And we're gonna make a beautiful magnolia wreath for this ladder. Now let's start with our lamb's ear, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it and cut the bottoms and just place it to see where I want them. First, let me stick that leaf that was missing. And then we're gonna play around with our eucalyptus also so we can add some lamb's ear, eucalyptus, and those beautiful magnolia flowers. As you know, I love to play with my floral because I couldn't play with my food when I was a kid. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play around with them, placing them where I want them, adding a little bit of hot glue here and there just to secure those leaves and to make them look beautiful and face to the front of our wreath. After that, I'm gonna take my eucalyptus and I'm gonna cut individually those branches so we get more bang for our buck. And we make that eucalyptus blend with our beautiful wreath. And we're gonna continue just adding those like this all around that side. You can make a complete wreath, but I just love those one side wreath. That's my style. But I'm gonna continue just adding my eucalyptus like this, and I'm struggling with that label. Then I'm gonna continue adding to the other side because we are mimicking what we did in the bottom on the top of our wreath. So we're just gonna cut them, add them here and there. And then we're gonna move on to the beautiful magnolia flowers. And I wanted to cut them, but I just ended up removing them from the stems and just gluing them or sticking them to our wreath. And as you can see, they look so beautiful, but the leaves on those pics aren't that cute. So I just used my flowers instead of the leaves. And I added some greenery extra. And now I'm just adding one here. And I'm gonna try to add one here. And we will have the most beautiful wreath ever. Look at that, it's looking so cute. Now I'm gonna play with another one. And one in the bottom and try to play around with it until I'm happy with what I have. Now I'm gonna glue this one and I'm gonna keep on playing with the other one, but I ended up not adding that one because it was completed and looked beautiful. Let me add a little bit more of this eucalyptus here. And look at this! Isn't this the most beautiful wreath you have ever seen? I'm in love with it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this one because I'm in love. If you like modern farmhouse decor and lots of silly jokes, subscribe because that's what I do here. And hit the thumbs up and share this video with a friend because that really helps to support my channel. Also, go and check me out on my social media so we can be friends over there and have lots and lots of fun together. Now, for our last project, we're gonna make a garland, and I'm using these beads that I got from eBay. You can get the same ones at Amazon. I'm using also fishing line and a needle. What we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our needle and we're gonna thread it with our fishing line, and we're gonna grab the smaller size, then the medium one big bead, and then we're gonna go back to the medium and then a small one, and that will be our pattern. If you finish on a small one, what you have to add is the medium one instead of a small one, because if not, you will have two small ones and won't look cute like I did here. Then we're gonna continue doing that pattern: small, medium, large, medium, small, medium, large, like that all around our garland, and you can make as long as you want it. I made it kind of long, but not too long. And I'm gonna continue adding my beads just like this until I have my beautiful garland, and look at that, it's looking so cute. I'm in love with it. Yeah, I know, I'm biased. But we're gonna continue just adding our beads, making our beautiful garland. If the needle goes out of the thread, just thread it again and keep going. And then when we add all of our beads, we are going to add tassels to both of our sides, because this one it's going to go on our beautiful ladder that we made a little bit back. Now I'm going to add my tassel, and for that I'm just tying it really nicely on the corner of my garland, just like this. Tie it really nicely, then pass it through 3 beads so you get really secured knot. Now I'm gonna repeat the same on the other side, just like this, really nicely, really tight. Go through 3 beads again and then cut the excess. And just like that, we have the most cute and beautiful garland ever. Now let's cut it here. Trim those tassels, and look at this, so cute. Let me show you. Here you have it, and you can see it. It's beautiful. I'm biased, I know. But let me know in the comments below what you think about this one. And here you can see all of them together on our ladder, and I'm in love on how beautiful and cozy this cozy corner turned out? Let me know in the comments below what you think about all of our DIYs for today. And remember that in the description box down below, you're gonna find the link to the playlist and also to Diane and Jenny's channel, so you can go and check them out and also check out the playlist, because I know you're gonna find lots of beautiful things there. And remember that if you like this one, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care, my beautiful friends. Bye-bye.